News alert. Meta, the tech trailblazer, just dropped Code Llama. It's a coding buddy backed by Llama 2 that'll make your coding life a breeze. What's Code Llama all about? You're wrestling with complex code. Then comes Code Llama, your digital pal. It helps you craft and perfect code effortlessly. Meta's grand mission? Simplify software development for all. Code Llama is a revolutionary tool that's accessible to pros and beginners, without costing a penny for commercial or research use. Code Llama's standout feature? Give it a prompt like, create a Fibonacci sequence function, and voila! It also excels at fixing code glitches. Got troublesome code? Let Code Llama work its magic. Code Llama is more than a pretty face. It's the brainchild of Llama 2, born in July. Meta's been fine-tuning this gem since February, giving it coding superpowers across various languages. Hold tight. Code Llama can handle a whopping 100,000 code pieces. Compare that to ChatGPT's 4,000 to 8,000. Code Llama's a heavyweight champ, tackling even the biggest projects.